Hello students, welcome again to Harbans Sir classes. I'm back here with 1 day's break. Yesterday I was with one patient to the hospital. So all the day I spent in a hospital with one patient of my village. So today I'm here with new class. Hope you are staying well, you are staying fit and you are fit and fine. You are enjoying your time and also you are motivating other people to remain inside, don't roam outside. So we have won nearly 75% of our battle, only 25% is remaining. So with help of all the community members we will be able to control that 25% also, but still keep in mind that danger is not over. It can spread from the last patient of coronavirus. So until we get 100%, we shouldn't get relaxed and we shouldn't get out of our homes. Thank you very much. Let us start with today's class. 10th class students, let us start with the exercise 5C. In exercise 5C, we will solve the quadratic equation using formula. Some equations are not factorizable, so for them to solve we use a formula. Formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. Formula I repeat, minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. When I solve these equations using this formula, you will come to understand better. So first is exercise 5C, question number 1, part 1, x square minus 6x is equal to 27. So x square minus 6x minus 27 is 0. D, you know from earlier classes, D is b square minus 4ac. So D is, b is minus 6, 4ac, 4a is 1, c is minus 27. So 36 minus plus 108, 144. So x is minus b, x is minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. So minus value of b is minus 6, minus 6, d is 144, 2a, a is 1. So remember it is minus 6, so value of d is minus 6. This minus is in formula, value of b is minus 6. So you have to keep in mind that signs should be correct. This minus is from the formula, value of b is minus 6. So root of 144 is 12. Now this will become minus plus 6 plus minus 12, 2 into 1, 2. So plus minus mean 6 plus 12 upon 2, 2 roots will be there. Other root will be 6 minus 12 upon 2. Plus minus mean one time I use plus, second time I use minus. For first root I use plus, for the second root I use minus. So plus minus I use differently. 6 plus 12, 18, 18 upon 2, 6 minus 12 minus 6 upon 2, it is 9 and minus 3. These are two roots. Another question I take, part 6, question number 1, part 6, all are same. 2x square plus 7x plus 5 equal to 0. First I find d. D is b square minus 4ac. b is 7, coefficient of x square, 4ac. A is 2, c is 5. So it is 49 minus 40, it is equal to 9. So what is x? X is same, minus b plus minus root of d upon 2a minus value of b is 7 minus 7, value of d is 9. I have calculated value of d as 9 upon 2a. Value of a is 2. A mean coefficient of x square. So minus 7 plus minus 3 upon 2 to the 4. Root of 9 is 3. So 2 times I use, 1 time I use plus 3. For second root I use minus 3. Minus 7 plus 3 minus 4 upon 4, minus 7 minus 3 minus 10 upon 4. So it is minus 1 and minus 5 upon 2. I cancel them out. This is my answer. So it is easier one. Only you should know the calculations. Part 9 I do. Question number 1, part 9. X square minus 6 is equal to 2 root 2x. So it becomes x square minus 2 root 2x minus 6, 0. This is called standard form. First I write x square, then I write x, then without any variable. So x square minus 2 root 2x, here it is positive, it will become negative in the right hand side. Minus 6 is equal to 0. Then d is equal to b square minus 4ac. b is minus 2 root 2 square minus 4ac, 4. Value of a is 1, value of c is minus 6. So minus 2 root 2 square means minus 2 root 2 into minus 2 root 2. Minus minus plus, 2 to the 4. Root 2 into root 2, 2. 4 to the 8. Okay. Minus 2 root 2 square is 8. Minus minus plus, 4 6 is 24. It is 32. So now what will be x? Minus b plus minus root d upon 2a minus value of b is minus 2 root 2. Value of d is 32 upon 2a. 2 into value of a is 1. So minus minus plus 2 root 2. Now I factorize 32. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 5 times 32. Make factors like that. Upon 2 into 1, 2. So it is root. I make pairs of 2's. 2 2's will come out. 1 2 from here, 1 2 from here, 1 2 from this pair, other 2 from this pair. This 2 will remain inside. So it is 2 root 2 plus minus 2 2's come out, 2 into 2, 1 2 remains inside, upon 2. 2 root 2 plus minus 4 root 2 upon 2. I can take 2 as common. Inside will be root 2 plus 2. 2 is outside. 2 root 2 upon 2. From here 2 comes outside. 2 will remain here. From this 4. 2 to the 4. Just 2 cancels out. Plus minus. So it is root 2 plus minus 2 root 2. So one time I use plus, other time I use minus. Root 2 plus 2 root 2, I take root 2 as common. Root 2 is common. From here it is 1, from here it is 2. Again I take root 2 as common. Inside will be 1 minus 2. So 1 plus 2 root 2 is 3 root 2. 1 minus 2 root 2 is minus 1 root 2. So answer will be 3 root 2 and minus root 2 answer. That will be my answer. So question number 1 part 10 I do. It is 4 upon x minus 3 is equal to 5 upon 2x plus 3. So in the LHS I take LCM. LCM is x. It is 4 minus 3x 5 upon 2x plus 3. Then I cross multiply. 4 minus 3x into 2x plus 3 is equal to 5x. I cross multiply. 4 minus 3x into 2x plus 3 is equal to 5 into x, 5x. 4 to the 8x. 4 into 3, 12, minus 3x into 2x, minus 6x square, minus 3x into 3, minus 9x is equal to 5x. So it will become minus 6x square. 8x minus 9x is minus x, plus 12 is equal to 5x. So minus 6x square minus x, this 5x will get subtracted here, plus 12 is equal to 0. This 5x will get subtracted in the LHS. Here it is positive, here it will become negative. So it is minus 6x square minus 6x plus 12 equal to 0. Now I can see that minus 6 is common to these three. I take minus 6 as common. So it will make my solving easier, my calculations easier. So minus 6 I take outside, x square, minus is outside, it will become plus, plus x, 6 is outside, it is plus, now minus is outside, it will become minus 2. So it is x square plus x minus 2, 0. Now I apply the formula. X is equal to minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. What is d? D is b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac. C is minus 2. So 1 minus minus plus 4 to the 8. 1 plus 8. 9. So x will be equal to minus b minus 1 plus minus root 9 upon 2a. A is also 1. So it is minus 1 plus minus 3. Root of 9 is 3 upon 2. So it is minus 1 plus 3 upon 2 minus 1 minus 3 upon 2. Minus 1 plus 3 is 2. It is 2 upon 2. Minus 1 minus 3 upon 2 mean minus 4 upon 2. So they will cancel out. 2 to the 4. Answer is 1 and minus 2. This is my answer. Now part 12. Question number 1. Part 12. Root 6x square minus 4x minus 2 root 6 is equal to 0. So I calculate d. D is b square minus 4ac, 4 into root 6 into minus 2 root 6. Value of c is minus 2 root 6. Value of a is root 6. Minus 4 square is 16. This is minus minus plus. 4 to the 8. Root 6 into root 6 is 6. So 16 plus 8 6 is 48. It is 64. Now what is x? Minus b. This minus is from formula. This is value of b is minus 4. Plus minus root of d upon 2a. Value of a is 2 root 6. Value of a is root 6. So it will become 2 root 6. Minus minus plus. Root of 64 is 8 upon 2 root 6. So one time I take plus 8. 2 root 6. One time I take minus 8. So 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 upon 2 root 6 minus 4 upon 2 root 6. Now I can rationalize it. Rationalize the denominator so that in the denominator no root is there. So I multiply with root 6 and divide with root 6. Here also I multiply with root 6. I divide with root 6. So it will become 12 root 6 upon root 6 into root 6 into 2, 12. Root 6 into root 6 is 6. 6 into 2, 12. Here minus 4 root 6 upon same root 6 into root 6 is 6. 6 to the 12. So this 12 cancel with 12. It is root 6. This is 4 3 is 12 minus root 6 upon 3. These are my answers. Then others 13 and 14 are for you to solve. If there is any problem, you can tell me, and I will solve it for you tomorrow. Okay, question number 13 I solve. Question number 13 I solve. It will solve it taking LCM. Question number part 13. Question number 1, part 13. 2x upon x minus 4 plus 2x minus 5 upon x minus 3, 8 1 by 3. So take LCM. LCM is x minus 4 into x minus 3. So cross multiply 2x x minus 3. When LCM is by multiplying denominators, for the numerator I cross multiply. 2x into x minus 3 plus 2x minus 5 into x minus 4. it will become 25 upon 3. So 2x into x is 2x square. 2x into minus 3 is minus 6x, plus 2x into x is 2x square. 2x into minus 4 is minus 8x. Minus 5 into x is minus 5x. Minus 5 into minus 4 is plus 20 upon x into x is x square. X into minus 3 is minus 3x. X into minus 4 is minus 4x. Minus 4 into minus 3 is plus 12. It is 25 upon 3. Now 2x square plus 2x square is 4x square. It is minus 6x, minus 8x, minus 5x. 6 plus 8, 14. Minus 5, minus 19. It will become minus 19x plus 20. In the denominator, it is x square. Minus 3x minus 4x minus 7x plus 12. It is equal to 25 upon 3. Now cross multiply 3 into this one and 25 into denominator. 3 into 4, 12x square. 3 into minus 19, minus 57x. 3 into 20, 60. 25 into x square, 25x square. 25 into minus 7, 175. 25 into 12, 300. Now I take whole of this expression into right hand side, or I take this into left hand side. Anything I can do. So I take this to left hand side. 12x square will become negative there. It will become 25x square minus 12x square. Then minus 175x. This minus 57x will become positive there. Plus 300. This 60 will become minus there. It is equal to 0. 25 minus 12, 13x square. Minus 175 plus 57, minus 118x. 300 minus 60 is 240. This is equal to 0. Now D I know is equal to b square minus 4ac. So D is minus 118 square minus 4, A is 13, C is 240. So D is 118 into 118. It will be equal to 118. It is 13,924 minus 1444. So what is x minus b plus minus root of d upon 2a. B is minus 118. D is 1444 upon 2a, 2 into 13. So minus minus plus 118 plus minus Root of 1444 is 38. It is 13 into 2, 26. So it is 118 plus 38 upon 26. 118 minus 38 upon 26. So it is 156 upon 26. This is 80 upon 26. 26 6 is 156. So 6. This will be 40 by 13, or I can write 6 13 3 1 by 13. That's my answer. So next class we'll solve question number 2, exercise 5C. Until then, goodbye. Keep healthy, keep inside. Thank you very much.